Welcome once again to another session on the linear equation containing fraction that I started with you in the previous videos. In this video, we are solving a unique type of example which is different from all the ones that we've been doing in the previous videos. In the previous videos, we started learning about linear equation containing fractions, okay, where the denominators that we use to find the LCM, they are numbers, okay. So we learned that anytime you have an equation containing fractions, you multiply through by the LCM, and to get that LCM you use the denominators, okay. And all the examples that we did, the denominators were numbers, okay, where we'll find the LCM of it and we'll use it to multiply through the equation, okay. But in this question, in this session, okay, we have a type of question where the denominators, okay, they are not numbers but it's an expression. Okay, so an example is what is on the board. Okay, so you can see example 5. It says solve 2 over s plus 2 equals to 5 over 3s minus 1. Okay, so you can see that the denominators, okay, they are expression. Okay, they are not numbers like the ones that you have been doing before. It's an expression. Okay, so this is s plus 2 and this is also 3s minus 1. Okay, so I want to solve this type with you so that in case you come across it anywhere, okay, you know how to handle it. Okay, so still it's an equation that contains fraction. Okay, so we have to multiply through by the LCM. Okay, just that the denominators that we use to find the LCM, they are not numbers but it's an expression. In the case of this one, it's an expression. This one is s plus 2 and this one is 3s minus 1. Okay, so we have to find the LCM for it and solve the question. Okay, as usual we multiply through by the LCM. Okay, but how do you get the LCM for this one? Okay, the LCM is simply the multiplication of this s plus 2 and this 3s minus 1. Okay, so that's how you get the LCM. Very simple. Okay, and I remember I've taught you this under the addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions, where the denominators are not numbers but variables, okay, or an expression. We did that. Okay, so search for those videos so that you get the understanding, because we are applying that knowledge here. Okay, so I told you earlier on that everything that I've taught you previously, it's like a foundation. Okay, we'll use it somewhere. Okay, so you see that all the videos that I'm doing, I keep on making reference to some videos that I've done way back. Okay, meaning that the knowledge in those videos, we are going to apply it. Okay, that's why it's important that you watch all the previous videos that I've done so that you get a foundation to be able to handle a new topic that I'll be treating. Okay, in the case of this one, you can see that we are applying the knowledge that we've had on the algebraic fractions here. Okay, so addition of algebraic fractions, okay, where the denominators are not numbers but variables or an expression. Okay, so we are applying that knowledge here. Okay, so watch that video so that you get the understanding. Okay, so I said that we have to multiply through by the LCM. With this one also we multiply through by the LCM, but since the denominators that we use to find the LCM here, they are not numbers, okay, it's an expression here, so the LCM is going to be a multiplication of the two expressions. So to get the LCM for this one, it is this s plus 2 times this s 3s minus 1. Okay, again the LCM is going to be a multiplication of the denominators. Okay, so it's going to be this s plus 2 times the 3s minus 1. Okay, so that's the LCM. So we are going to multiply through by the LCM. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so let me write my solution here and let's do it together. Okay, so I have 2 over s plus 2 equals 5 over 3s minus 1. Okay, and I've explained to you that the LCM is a multiplication of the two denominators. So the LCM is going to be s plus 2 into one bracket, 3s minus 1 into another bracket. So we'll multiply through the equation by that LCM. Okay, let me write it here so that we see the LCM is going to be s plus 2 into one bracket and 3s plus 3s minus 1 into another bracket. So this is the LCM, okay, for this question. So we'll multiply through by this LCM. Please hope you agree with me. Okay, so that's what you are going to do. So we will multiply this one by the LCM, then this also by the LCM. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. So I have s plus 2 into one bracket multiplying 3s minus 1 to another bracket times, okay, now you can choose to bring your multiplication sign like this, okay, times, or you can choose to use a dot. Any of them, it is correct, okay. Or if you want, you can choose to use the bracket, okay. So anyone that you use is correct. So either you use the bracket or the multiplication sign like this, or you use a dot, okay, which all means multiplication. It's all the same thing, okay. So times the 2 over, please hope you are following, 2 over the s plus 2, okay, so equals, now this LCM will multiply this term as well. I say we are multiplying through by the LCM. So now I have my s plus 2 into one bracket, 3s minus 1 into another bracket. Let me clean this one from here so that you have enough space to do it, okay. So times, okay, 5 over 3s minus 1. Okay, so this is what you do. Okay, so that's how to multiply through by the LCM. Hope you agree with me. Not difficult. Okay, so now you can see that I have s plus 2 here. Okay, and this is also s plus 2. Okay, so this s plus 2 down here will cancel the s plus 2 here. Okay, so this s plus 2 and the s plus 2 down here, they will cancel away 1, 1. Okay, please hope you agree with me. Okay, then when I come here, I have this 3s minus 1 here. Down here too, I have 3s minus 1 here. Okay, so we can cancel it away because the expression there, they are multiplying. Okay, so this 3s minus 1 here can cancel itself 1, then it will cancel this 3s minus 1 also away 1. Okay, then now from here you don't need to rush it, as I keep on telling you. Take your time and write what you have left. Okay, just take your time, write what you have left. What you have left here is 3s minus 1, you bring the bracket, okay, times the 2. Okay, so the 2 multiply that bracket equals, what we have left here is s plus 2, okay, times the 5. The 5 will multiply that bracket. Okay, so let's write what you have down left. Okay, so I have, so the 2 into brackets 3s minus 1, okay, equals to, please hope you agree with me, equals to the 5 into bracket s plus 2. Okay, now from here we just apply the removal of brackets that we've been learning. Okay, so let's open the bracket. We are applying the removal of brackets. Let's open the bracket. Okay, so 2 times the 3s will give me 6s. 2 times the minus 1 will give me minus 2. Okay, minus 2 equals 5 times the 5 times the s here will give me 5s, and 5 times the positive 2 will give me positive 10. Okay, now from here we just need to group like terms. Okay, so when I write my 6s here, okay, what can join the 6s is the 5s, but the 5s will cross the equal sign, so it is positive. When you cross the equal sign, it becomes negative, so minus 5s equals to, my 10 is there, then this minus 2 will also cross the equal sign and go and join the 10 which is there. It's like you are grouping like terms. Okay, so it is negative here. When it crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive, so plus 2. Okay, please hope you understand what I've done. Okay, now from here we simplify further. Okay, let me continue from here. Okay, I think you can see it from this side, so let me continue from here. So 6s minus 5s gives me s. Okay, so I have my s equals 10 plus 2 gives me 12, so my s equals to 12. Now this is my final answer. Okay, so this is how to handle an equation where the denominators, okay, is not a number but an expression, okay, or a variable. Okay, so this is how to handle it. Okay, now there's another way you can do it. Okay, so I want to show you that as well. Okay, so let me clean this one. Okay, I hope you understand the explanation for this one. The LCM was a multiplication of these two denominators, s plus 2 and 3s minus 1. So that was the LCM. We multiplied through by the LCM, we cancelled out, then we open our bracket, then we solve for s. Okay, that's what we did. Okay, so we are having our s equals to 12. Okay, now I'm saying that there's another way that you can do this same question. So let me clean this solution that I have on the board and let me show you that way. Okay, so let me clean this one from there, then let's look at the other way of solving this same question. Okay, so now when you have a question like this, okay, so we have, let me write the solution, okay, and let's start again using the other method. Okay, so I have 2 over s plus 2 equals 5 over 3s minus 1. Okay, so we want to solve this one. Now what you can do also is that you can choose to cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you get the same answer. Okay, cross multiply simply means that this numerator here, it will multiply the denominator here, and this numerator here will also multiply the denominator here. That's the cross multiplication. Okay, so we can use cross multiplication to solve this one. So cross multiply like this. Okay, so to solve this one, the 2 will multiply the expression here. So write 2 into brackets 3s minus 1. Please, you put it into brackets, okay? Okay, so because the 2 multiplies every term here. Okay, so the 2 multiply the 3s and also multiply the negative 1. So that's why you need to put it into brackets. Okay, so 2 into brackets 3s minus 1. We are cross multiplying. Okay, equals. Okay, bring your equal sign. Then the 5 also multiply the denominator here. Okay, so 5 into brackets s plus 2. Okay, so you can also choose to use this method and you get the same answer. Okay, so the 2 will open its bracket now and the 5 will also open its bracket. Then you follow the same process, you get the same answer. So let's do it and see. 2 times the 3s gives us 6s. Okay, so 6s. 2 times minus 2 gives 2 times minus 1 gives minus 2. So minus 2 equals 5 times the s gives us 5s. Okay, and the 5 times the positive 2 gives positive 10. Okay, from here we group like terms. Okay, so when I write this 6s here, this 5s will cross the equal sign to come and join it, so it becomes minus 5s equals to the 10 is there, then this minus 2 also cross the equal sign, go and join the 10, so it becomes plus 2. Okay, please hope you understand. 6s minus 5s gives us x, so my s equals to 10 plus 2 gives us 12. Okay, so my s equals to 12. This is my final answer. Okay, so you can see that you are getting the same answer if you use this process as well. Hope the explanation was clear enough and you understood it. Don't forget, like the video and also share the video. See you again in other videos whilst we tackle other topics. Bye bye.